Hello everyone, welcome back to the XSP Green Monster channel. My name is Riley and here's the Suburban again. I did some work on it and I tried recording it, but I forgot the SD card, so I didn't get it on the camera. I took some on my phone, which I will play right after this, but basically I'm gonna play the footage that I took on my phone and I'm gonna run through everything that I did on the truck just so you guys can see. It was the grill and then some stuff inside as well, and I tried to do the trans cooler, but I'll kind of explain that when I get to it. So I'll pick you guys up off that and we'll go through this. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please leave a comment down below a video that you guys would like to see. Hey everyone, welcome back to the XSP Green Monster channel. I'm here with the truck and we're finally gonna get started on some stuff. I'm gonna be doing the grill in this video, along with a couple other things I'm gonna do while I'm here, but you guys will see that in other videos. So I'm gonna start by removing the light bar, and I'll show you all the bolts I'm gonna remove, and I'll set you up on the tripod somehow. I'm filming on my phone too, so the audio might be a little bit worse. We forgot the SD card for the camera, so we're just gonna have to go with it. But yeah, I'll show you the bolts that are gonna have to be removed, and then I'll set you up, and then I will just kind of speed up the process of me doing this. All right guys, so I'm gonna go over the bolts. Mine has a bunch missing, but usually there's a bolt right here. You've got a bolt down in there. You've got another one in there. Should have another one up there. There is one behind these marker lights. There's one right there. And then there's another one behind that marker light, and then there's some clips on the bottom that you have to do, but I'll show you that when I get to there. So first I'm just gonna be taking out the light bar. All right, so the first thing you're gonna need is a 9/32 socket and then just a Phillips head screwdriver. So I'm gonna start removing these bolts, and you guys will see it when I take off the grill. Alright, so next I'm just going to go down underneath and unscrew the nuts that are in the back of this so I can completely remove the light bar, and then the grill will be able to come off after I take out two more. So I don't actually think that you need to take out those bolts, if I remember correctly, because this whole thing is just held in with some clips that you can slide this through. So once you have this out, you want to make sure to remove those on both sides. And then your grill is off, which means you can put on the new grill now. I'll show you the new grill. Alright guys, so here we are at the truck, and we're going to start the installation, or try to, this might actually not end up working out, of the Flexolite transmission cooler that I got. that. And it's the wrong thread. So we're not installing this. Okay, so I got the grill installed, as you can see. I have all the bolts sitting up here in these kind of like handy little carriers, which is nice. And I have this upside down. Okay. Alright, so open this up. The first quick thing I did was, you can see I've got the poly rib belt on there. You can see all the ribs in the belt, so I put that on there. I've got the new tensioner in there as well. That was really easy. You just take out this bolt right here, which was like a 1/2 inch on the old one, and it's like a 10 mil on this one, I believe. And then take that off, pull off the whole tensioner after you take off the belt to begin with, and then you put the new one back on. There's a little slot on the back that you just slip it into, and it all goes on pretty easily. It's nice and tight right now, which is good. Everything in there is looking good. And I also did the new grill, so you can see that nice paint matched. It's pretty close. The Duplicolor stuff does a pretty good job paint matching, so I actually really like the way it turned out. So I did that. New grills in. The new trans cooler would have gone like right behind there. You can kind of see the old one in there. Alright, just some people stopping by, make sure I didn't need any help since I have the hood up, but you can see the old trans cooler right behind there. So it's right behind all these fins. And I tried taking it off, and the new trans cooler contacts that bracket. It's really hard to see, but there's a little bracket in there that's the hood latch. It's this bracket right here, and it contacts that, so I couldn't fit it. And the fittings for my stock trans cooler are 3/8 MBT, whereas the new trans cooler are 1/2 inch MBT, so I need to get some different fittings for it to fit. Still the same headlights. I put in these new corner markers, since you have to get the GMC corner markers with that amber bulb. And I don't know, I'm not sure how I feel about those. They used to have this tinted look like this one did, and now they're kind of like a clearer, which I kind of like, but I don't know, I'm not sure. You can kind of see it. Not quite sure how I feel about it. The fitment's really nice, actually. You can see, yeah, all the light. I mean, like, the fitment on this is really nice. It's a little bit closer down here, so it'd be nice if that was out a little more, or that was in a little bit more, but that side's pretty good. This side I need to figure out. I think I just need to put this bolt in right here because I'm missing a bolt. I think if I pulled this up and put the bolt in here, it would fix the fitment that I'm having over here. But as you can see, there's a pretty big gap over on this side, but the bottom's good. And with the hood down, my hood fits a little weird anyways, but you can see that the gap is nice and even for the whole hood as well. So yeah, that's basically what I did for all that. It was a pretty simple install, as you guys saw. I mean, there wasn't like too much that I had to do, but I just ran into some problems. Obviously, I forgot the SD card, and I tried filming on my phone. My phone got too cold and died. So I'll play that footage right before this footage, so you guys will have already seen it. But that's basically where that went. I was trying to record it for you guys. It just didn't end up working out all right. So yeah, I apologize for that. I got some more videos coming soon. Gonna do some more work on the inside of the truck, on the audio system, and also do, I'm thinking, a road to 1,000 or a road to monetization video, since I only get one chance to do that as a YouTuber. So I might try and do that, even though it's not too close with what I'm doing on the channel. But yeah. And also the other reason I had to do this and like kind of show you guys afterwards is I need to get this done because I'm leaving for spring break this weekend and I'm going home, so I needed to have all this stuff on the truck before I went home, especially the new belt, so I didn't really have a chance to drive the 30 minutes back from where I was home and then drive all the way back out. I also did the oil change, which I wanted to do a video on how to do an oil change, but I missed it, but I'll get more opportunities to do that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below, video you'd like to see, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video.